Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 230 Sunliner from Harris Float Boats. First thing I'm going to start off with is this is the external color of the boat. Obviously it's on that side too, but it is white and has the black anodized rails as well. In the front we have tons of storage in this boat. On both sides right here you can put your life vests, food, coolers, anything that you can think of. One other cool feature on this boat is there is recessed cup holders and phone holders in here. You're not going to see that on any other brand. One of the benefits of the Sunliner is it is one of the starting options for Harris float boats, but it does have the armrest as well. Nice built-in headrest as well too. At the helm, tons of storage underneath here. Right now it's holding your 8.8-inch fenders, your table that would mount anywhere you'd like in the boat, and a few other items. Coming to the helm now, we do have the armrests that flip out of the way, the flip-up bolster if you want to get nice and high while you're riding and cruising along on the lake. Digital throttle and shift, all your switches at arm's reach, your Simrad Go 5 display, and the upgraded JL audio head unit. Now moving back here, again, plenty of storage under all these seats. The cup holders that are recessed in the sides of the boat, and this is the single rear lounger option. So depending on where you want to sit, which direction you want to face, you can fold this either way. One other thing, this does have a double bimini top, so it completely encloses in. If you want to catch some sun rays, you just keep them closed. Open them up if you guys want to get some shade on those hot Texas days. Tons of storage under this seat as well. This is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. Has a ski tow bar, extra wide stainless steel ladder, and these safety clips that go in on both sides, which allow you to ride back here while you're underway. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston, again showing you a 2020 230 Sunliner from Harris Float Boats. Come by and see us soon.